Immediately upon awakening, rub the face and eyes with both the palms in order to remove the effects of sleep. Second, when the eyes open in the morning, recite this dua. Alhamdulillahi ahyana ba'da ma amatana wa ilayhin nushur. Translation: all praise is due to Allah who brought us to life after having granted us death, and to Him will we be resurrected. Third, when awakening from sleep, cleanse the mouth with the miswak. Fourth, the use of miswak should be repeated when making wuzu. Using the miswak upon awakening is a separate sunnah. When wearing one's trousers, first put on the right leg, then the left one. When putting on the kurta or shirt, first put on the right sleeve and then the left one. The same procedure should be followed when wearing a vest. When wearing a shoe, first put on the right shoe. When removing an garment or shoe, first remove the left, then the right. This is the sunnat method when removing any garment from the body. 6. Before immersing the hands into any utensils, wash them thrice thoroughly.